Today I'm going to discuss about robotic intelligence, artificial intelligence, and robotics. Presentation overview, definitions of the relevance or to AI, current development in the fields, current implications, past success in robotics, roadblock to the robot research, future of robotic. Definition: a robot is an active artificial agent whose environment is the physical world. A programmable, multifunctional manipulator designed to move material parts, tool, or special devices through variable program motion for the performance of a variety of tasks. Relevance of artificial intelligence: effector, sensor, architectures, integrations of various input, hierarchy of information representations, and emotions. Effectors: effective versus accurate degree of the freedoms, free body in space, locomotion, strategic stability versus dynamically stable, manipulations, rotary versus prismatic motions, ineffective. Sensor: force sensing, tactical sensor, sensor, visual, and proprietors sensitive. Uh, Architecture: classic architecture, behavior based architecture. Sensor: reason about behavior of the subject, identity of the subject, build maps, and avoid objective. Uh, Information representation hierarchy: raw data, cognitive feature, conceptual feature, simple concept, interconnected, synthesized concept. Information representation hierarchy. Information representation hierarchy we are observing. Current development: emotion, energy efficiency, integration, hierarchy of information representation, control structure, synthesis of the neutral nets, and fuzzy logic. Robot surgery, telephones, robot perceptions, face and object recognition. Importance of emotion: emotion help prevent people from the repair their mistakes. Recognitions: emotions would allow robot to become more responsive to user needs. Exhibitions: emotions would help robot interact with human. Classifications of the emotion: continuous emotion field is multi-dimensional space of attributes, arousal, valence, place, discrete, defense, 5 6 and more basics. Emotional states upon which more complex emotion are based. Arousal and valence, whether emotion is positive or negative. Arousal, intensity of emotion. Classifications: 8 primitive emotion that more complex emotion are based upon gladness, sadness, anger, surprise, acceptance, disgust, expectancy, and fear. Complexity of emotional classifications. Effective research: Kismet. Discrete proper emotion represent to the stimulate and exhibitions corresponding facial expression, body postures, and vocal quality. Behavior response serves ethical, social, or self-maintaining functions. Organizations of constant emotions: sum of the constant emotions, what cause those emotions, and what purpose they serve. Kismet. Organizations of constant emotions. Energy efficiency. Small electronic pumps transfer 100 centimeters of the oil from an external bladder to its reservoir, making sea gliders defense enough to sink to dive. Small motor push battery pack into nose. Process is served as accused. Current technology: industrial robot used in factories to manufacture boxes and the pack and raw materials. Car manufacturers own 50% of the total robots. Robots used in hazardous situation, nuclear power plant, responses of the bomb threats, outer space explorations. Current implications: hinder Hasimo able to walk freely, able to balance on route, able to climb stair, able to manipulate objective space, and cost efficiency. ASIMO recognition technology based on visual cause such as the angle and distance at which the person and the object can map on object's control and compare it to the database of the prototype for different expressions and actions in current limited of the pre-registered people. Success IMO 1996 prototype with a small body, camera, microphones, and batteries. Turbo balancing require further first generation AIBO ERS. AIBO example of the robotic with AI: behavior dependence on owner behavior, no two are alike, voice recognition, 250 distinct commands, specification: 64-bit RISE processor, 18 joints, touch sensor, CCD, color camera, infrared distinct sensor, acceleration sensor, angular velocity sensor. Brain: no central unit, heterogeneous network, microcontroller, ARV processing done by the digital sign processors, relay data to the core processing network by the way of ISA and PCI cards, core network 200 mHz PC. Sensory system, visual system, binocular. Each eye has two gray scale camera, auditory system, two microphones, stereotype samples, sound localizations, vestibular systems, tactical system. Roadblocks in research. A roadblock in research shift attention from manufacturing to the digital design process, shift attention from single to the multiple capability energy related issues. Sensor visions, mobility, design, control, reasoning. Sensor cost of tactics, range limit, visions, two methods over of the visionary of the local features. Mobility, current heights, design. Problem, control simulation is not accurate to the real world interaction based on mathematicals and numerical computational reasoning AI. Further refinements in this field before faster progress of robot. Downsizing, synergism, greater intelligence, and more environment. Design robot, develop viable social exchange design system. Moral dilemma, legal rights, replacing human ethic, different intelligence robots, and creating helpful sensor robots and play God. If you have any question regarding this kind of particular points, you directly can communicate with me, and most importantly, we can develop different kind of projects, and these projects can help us to grow a sustainable ecosystem. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.